Yeah, mama people, welcome back, welcome back. So I have to bring you this news. A big crash up on Highway 2000. Yeah, man, my people. So I have to say, the people them are not. They coming like they're not learning. You see what is going on in the earth and what's going on around us, and we still learn. Yeah, my people. Yeah, we're not learning. So I'm going to show you this very clip and the people them that are dying. You wouldn't believe it. This directly coming like a movie happening in a real life. Yeah, man. The people them not learning, man. So I'm gonna make you see a little part of this clip of how much damage.
See it yeah? A fear dead people dog. About yet somebody dead to bumper class if I no more. Watch there. Oh sick lad, yo. Brother, I'm not even want to go no closer.
This officer are telling you what happened,
based on the information we have, on or about 11 a.m., a Toyota motor truck was traveling along the PJ Patterson Highway towards Spanish Town. When on reaching about 800 meters east of the exit to Spanish Town, it is apparent that the driver encountered some difficulties with the vehicle traveling at high speed. The vehicle appeared to have been swerving along the roadway based on the evidence. It collided in the rear of a medium truck and then it overturned. It appears that it overturned a couple of times and then it came to rest with the front on the median. As a result of that, several persons were injured. We are able to confirm that 4 persons have died. There are a number of persons that have been taken to the Spanish Town Hospital, and we have heard that a few of them are critical, so we are going to do further checks on that. I am told that 11 persons are in the hospital, and as I said before, there are a number of them that are seriously injured. We are not able to say their identity. In fact, we have not identified any of them just now, and so we continue our investigations. Well, based on what we are seeing, the vehicle was traveling towards Kingston on the eastbound side. We have not verified the exact points at which it has left from and where it would have terminated. Based on the on-scene investigations, it is 2 males and 2 females.
Yeah, I convinced you to make look at this.
Watch out. Out there. Run, run! Run, down! Stop! Down, sir! Look!
Yes, so when I learning now, hope the clip that I've shown you is very helpful, but my people, when I hope when you taking it and learning from all when you say I go on around, don't be a fool. Yes, my people, it's really serious out there. So watching yourself, love and respect, and thank you for watching. Yeah, my people, bless up.